Hey guys, I'm opening a new Lou today, and I wanted to show you something that few people show you when they're doing these videos and everything, what's actually in the box. You get this Louis Vuitton envelope, has, you can do a personalized message here. Says, love always, LV. Love from Louis. This one is, the gift receipt. Louis Vuitton, you can read that. Exchange and returns policies. And a return label. So, if you were wondering what the goodies were in the envelope, that's the goodies. Now, and they also allow you to customize a little card here, gift card. It is sealed, and let's open the flap. Let's see what it says. Absolutely nothing on this one. So, in case you want to give it as a gift, it does come with a beautiful little card that you can Now, this is a beautiful box that comes in this box. That's well secured, and that's just how Louis does things. So, let's see what's in the box. Another box is with magnetic closure. I believe that. Yes. Okay. Ta-da. Let's see what we got. It's the Louis Vuitton Daily Pouch. And I'm really, really excited about this one because I love the puffy, and this is at a really good price. So I'm really excited about this one. I can use it as a clutch, a pouch, an iPad case. They have inserts for these, and I've got mine on the way from Australia. And yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I love the feel of this leather. I'm excited to be getting the first large all leather piece. This particular color does not come with these suede insides. Of course, you get your little tags. And see the inside. That's a nice little pocket here. We have the Louis Vuitton tag that's on this side. I believe it says Louis Vuitton Paris. And, so, yeah, I am super, super excited about using this. The leather feels fantastic. It's a really pliable bag. I feel like it's gonna be, fairly durable for what use I have for it. And I know some people are dying because I'm just like squishing this bag. But, it is kind of made to where you can do that. The leather is not stiff at all. I see the edges getting worn quickly, but for the price point and for what you're getting in the daily pouch, and I believe this is called the Empreinte leather. I'm not positive. I would have to look it up again, but I love it. I do love it. And see the little card case with it. It just makes a lovely set because although I have other Louis pieces that I could put with it, I really feel like that for me, this and my phone and a pair of glasses and maybe a few other things really will be all that I want. So that when I go wherever I'm going, if I need to add things to my bag, I can. So, yeah, I don't like a whole lot of, and that phone is huge. So, I am extremely excited. I do have a Louis Vuitton chain to go with this bag. That I already have from a previous handbag. And I just do love this. I'm excited. I can't wait for the insert to get here to be able to put that chain on it. But she's just absolutely beautiful. They do say that this wears off fairly easy. So when carrying it, I wouldn't recommend grabbing or rubbing that particular part just to keep it fresh. I have heard other people saying that they will replace the bag if that wears off within a reasonable amount of time, or unreasonable amount of time. So I wouldn't worry about that too much. But, yay. Okay, you will see me probably with nothing else for quite some time. I think, I don't know, the, spring never full just might, no, but this, yes, but we'll see. Thanks, bye-bye.